Hi everyone, if you have decided it's time to say goodbye to your Character AI account, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step on how to delete it. It's a simple process, but there's a couple of things you need to keep in mind before going ahead. First things first, open your Character AI app and make sure that you have already logged into your account to avoid any mix-ups. After logging in, you will be directed to the chat section, and this is how the chat section looks like. Now click on your profile picture or avatar at top right corner of the page. It's over here, tap on it. This will open your profile. Now you are on your profile, tap on the setting or gear icon in top right corner, tap on it. Now scroll down at the bottom of the page, and over here you can see an option for remove account. Tap on it. Let's read what it has to say. You will lose everything characters associated to your account: chats, the love that we have shared, like, messages, posts, and the memories we have together. And there's written this action cannot be undone. If you are sure, go ahead and confirm by following the prompt. Paste your username on it, then tap on remove account. Let's try logging in again. Tap continue with Google. And that's it. You have been clearly directed to create a new account, which literally means your Character AI account has been deleted. If you ever feel like coming back in future, you can always create a new account, but be aware that no data from your previous account will be recoverable. That's all for today. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.